Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying to make a phone, a beautiful phone. If I can, I hope I have all the parts. So, you've read the video title, so obviously it's about the Nokia 8800 Sirocco, the golden one. And I have this phone for a while now, and it's about time I do something about it. Luckily, I managed to find, from what I understand, is the cable, is this display problem. Because all I have to do is put it back together. Maybe it's not a motherboard problem, because if it's a mainboard problem, then this is going to be a short video. Yeah, this is the mainboard, by the way. And yeah, it's dirty. This is a used unit, not new, but it's in very good condition, you know. So let me try to do it. In case if it's a display problem, because I don't know, for some reason it resonates in my mind that it's a display problem. I have here a brand new display that I got in my last hunt, one of my last hunts. Together with the camera module is the whole set. This is the most sensitive part of the phone. And I don't like how it looks here. I'll give it a try with this, then with this. So I have the other parts right here. Apparently I have to clean it. Oh, we have the screws as well. Nice. Should be the antenna to some parts. I mean, look at it. It barely has any scratches. Sirocco Gold, baby. Let's look at the display. Does it have scratches? No. It looks quite good. I had this phone for a long time, and I really wanted the gold one. Minimum amount of scratches. Maybe I can polish it. And it's just, oh, it's in one piece. Okay. So, let's try to make a phone out of this. Yeah. Here's the main board, and I need to go look for a battery. This one. Here's the other problem. The power button is here, and I don't know which connectors to press. Anyway, I'll just put it like so. I don't know if the battery is charged. Oh, hello. Okay, let's try changing this thing then. Okay. Okay, let's see it now. Same problem. Is it a mainboard problem or a battery? Back in here you go. Or does it need the, let's say, continuity when this is the cover? Let's try like this to put it in its place. Or maybe it needs everything connected. I don't think it does, but since we're here. So wait, the display is good, it was just disassembled? And this, so, okay, so I'm guessing it's a display problem. because I saw some lines there. You know what? I'm gonna do some cleaning of this. Take this out. Gonna disconnect this. So maybe it's not that bad. Like I said, I'm gonna do some cleaning. Yeah, doesn't look bad. Right. To clean this, definitely this. Looking good. This. So are all the screws here? I need to figure out where all of them go. Not a problem. Now from here, I need to take this off. Has some scratches here. Maybe I can polish it a little before. Easy. Okay, this is the slide. Okay. From here I need to take this cover of the camera. Yeah, this thing, it's snapping from the board. Okay. Alright. So this is the camera cover and the earpiece. Right, this will go out of the way. Before I clean it, let me try polishing it. At least here, you know. To disassemble this thing, it's gonna be hard to impossible. It's not disassemblable without damaging it, so I'll just get to the cleaning part. Also this one. Also this no. Right, I'll clean it and get to the polishing part. Well, I've cleaned those parts and I'm also polishing these. Hopefully I can do something about this now. Let's see what happens. This for now is lens clean good. Well, there is a bit of a difference, which is good. I mean, I don't know how this thing got dirty, it looks new. See here? Look at this. Fourth speed. See what we did here. Well, I did need to do some extra cleaning, but this is just to show you. Oh my god, what the heck? It's supposed to look like this. Wait a minute. No, it's not. Yeah, I need to do some extra polishing on this one. Right, let me try to do fast on this one. It's because it's shaking, it does it a bit bad. It's weird. I'll just leave it like this. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, no, I'm done with this little contraption of mine. Let me go get a cloth and do it manually. Or I can just use this wet wipe that got full of this thing. So, oh my god. So disappointed. I'll try rubbing it again and be right back. Hopefully with good results. Right, so when you're thinking of the word stupid, look at me, because I made it worse. It wasn't so bad, now it's bad because I'm stupid. I could have just let it like that, but no, I'm stupid. And this one, well, this one is not that bad. That one is worse. Stupid. Anyway, I've made a mess. I've cleaned again. What time is it? Oh, what do you know? It's past 12 since I started this. Let me assemble this and be done with it because stupid. Stupid. I could have. Anyway. Okay, see the connectors. Good. Okay, it's in its position. Shove this in its place. This thing needs to get slided in. Now, pressing it to glue. It has two sticker sides and I'm pressing them to stay in their rightfully position. Okay. Here's another problem. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. How is the screen? Does it has dust inside? No. Let me disconnect the motherboard again. It's been a while since I disassembled this a model like this, and I forgot. I'm not constantly looking at the manual. However, finally out. I could have done this instead of... Anyway. Also, why do they glue it there, when it's new? Why not give it separately? Oh yeah, it has to slide in here, like so. Now it's in its position. I'm guessing that it's the shorter screws. I don't know, just a wild guess. Yeah. Okay. Just to bend it a little and slide it in. Okay. Okay, it appears to somewhat be in its place. Good. Okay, something like this. Let me try to put these screws here somehow. Okay. Right, so I can just put this back. And I hope the camera works. I don't know if it needs a SIM card in or not, but we'll find out. Now won't we? Okay. I think the body shell may not be genuine, maybe a good quality enough one, but not genuine. Anyway. It works. It appears to be genuine Nokia menu. Mm-hmm. $552 talk towers, yikes. Will the camera work? Really? Operation failed. Why am I not surprised? Why should I have given it a factory setting? Well, this was my assembly of a Nokia 8800 Sirocco. It's been years since I've done this and I forgot how to do it, but here we are. Camera not working. Why is the camera not working? Does this thing needs to be programmed? Because I think if I was going to put a genuine screen and or camera, it would have worked, eh? Expires in to 2028. Interesting. I did not like how the screen looked on this one. Something was off. That's why I did it. But anyway, my phone works. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry about the camera not working. I'll try something. Maybe, who knows. Some other day though. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, follow, and tell me your thoughts about this phone. Did you have this phone back then? Do you have it now in your collection? How stupid am I for polishing this? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a lot of hate for it, but I deserve it and I accept it. Okay guys, all the best. Bye.